Laundry should feel simple, not like a never-ending task. In this best washing machine 20 and 17.8 pounds capacity full automatic washer machine video, discover a smarter way to keep clothes fresh while saving valuable time for the moments that matter most. A reliable washing machine can bring comfort, convenience, and peace of mind, helping every home feel more organized and stress-free. Number 1. Washing machine 20/17.8 pounds capacity full automatic washer machine. A clean home begins with fresh clothing that looks and feels comfortable every day. Managing laundry can take valuable time away from family, relaxation, work, and personal activities. This full automatic washing machine helps simplify daily routines, allowing households to enjoy greater convenience and a more organized lifestyle. Fresh garments contribute to confidence, comfort, and a positive impression wherever you go. Whether preparing for professional responsibilities, school activities, social gatherings, or important occasions, clean apparel helps you feel ready for every moment. Maintaining a consistent laundry routine supports a neat appearance and creates a welcoming atmosphere at home. Busy families and individuals often look for dependable solutions that reduce effort and support modern living. A reliable washing machine can help make household management easier, giving you more time to focus on what matters most. Greater convenience can improve daily satisfaction and reduce the stress associated with large laundry loads. This washing machine is an excellent choice for anyone seeking efficiency, comfort, and practicality. A well-managed home environment promotes peace of mind, supports productivity, and helps create a more enjoyable everyday experience for everyone. Number 2. 15.6 pounds full automatic portable washing machine washer. A tidy wardrobe brings a sense of comfort, confidence, and readiness for every part of life. Piles of laundry can quickly become frustrating, especially for busy households, students, professionals, and anyone managing a demanding schedule. This portable washing machine and spin dryer combo helps support a smoother daily routine, making garment care feel less stressful and more manageable. Fresh clothing can influence how you feel when attending meetings, visiting friends, traveling, shopping, or enjoying special occasions. Wearing clean outfits often creates a positive impression while helping you feel comfortable and self-assured throughout the day. Maintaining a consistent laundry routine contributes to a more organized living space and a pleasant home environment. Many people seek practical solutions that fit modern lifestyles and help save valuable time. A dependable laundry companion can reduce household pressure and allow more focus on family, hobbies, personal goals, and relaxation. This full automatic washing machine is designed for individuals who appreciate convenience and simplicity. A well-maintained collection of clothing supports confidence, enhances daily comfort, and helps create a more enjoyable lifestyle where cleanliness and organization become part of everyday success. Number 3. Hot portable folding washing machine 52 liters. Friends, welcome. If you have any questions about the product, or if you want to order in large quantities, you can contact me and I will give you the best price. Email 974628303@qq.com. WhatsApp +86 13 879 575,168. This portable folding washing machine is designed for compact living spaces, ideal for use with for dormitory, for rental apartment, for small home, and for travel setups. With a generous 52 liters large capacity, it efficiently handles medium to large laundry loads, perfect for students, for young professionals, or for anyone seeking space-saving laundry solutions. Operating on standard 220 volts power with low energy consumption of just 110 watts, it delivers reliable performance while remaining eco-friendly and cost-effective. Its lightweight, foldable design makes it easy to store when not in use and convenient to transport. Ideal for shared housing or temporary accommodations. The unit features intuitive controls, gentle yet effective wash cycles, and stable operation thanks to its reinforced base and balanced drum. Built for durability and quiet performance, it's suitable for everyday use without disturbing roommates or neighbors. Compact dimensions ensure it fits effortlessly into tight corners, under beds, or in closets, making it the ultimate for on-the-go, minimalist, or urban laundry needs. Number 4. Washing machine 20/17.8 pounds capacity full automatic washer machine. A comfortable lifestyle often starts with simple solutions that make everyday responsibilities easy to manage. Laundry can consume valuable hours that could be spent with family, pursuing personal interests, or enjoying moments of relaxation. This portable washing machine helps create a more convenient routine, allowing clothing care to fit smoothly into a busy schedule. Fresh garments contribute to a polished appearance and a positive sense of well-being. Whether preparing for work, academic commitments, travel plans, celebrations, or casual outings, clean attire helps you feel confident and ready for every occasion. A consistent laundry routine also supports a tidy living environment, making daily life feel more organized and enjoyable. Many households look for practical appliances that simplify chores without adding unnecessary stress. A dependable washing solution can help reduce workload, support time management, and bring greater convenience to modern living. Feeling in control of household tasks often creates a sense of satisfaction and peace of mind. This full automatic washer machine is ideal for individuals who value cleanliness, comfort, and efficiency. Maintaining fresh clothing can enhance confidence, improve daily routines, and help create a welcoming atmosphere that supports a balanced and productive lifestyle.